The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi today at noon in Parliament. This will be the first meeting between Mamata Banerjee and Prime Minister Narendra Modi since Modi became the Prime Minister. The TMC chief reached Delhi late yesterday evening. Ahead of a meeting with Prime Minister, the Bengal Chief Minister said the focus of the meeting would be the state's rights. She also said interest waiver on repayment of Bengal's huge debt would be high on her agenda during this meeting. Now, before the meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Mamata Banerjee will also have an interaction with all her party MPs. Mamata Banerjee had earlier skipped the Niti Aayog meeting called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where chief ministers were present. Meanwhile, taking a jibe at Mamata Banerjee, the CPM described her meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi as ghar wapsi for the Trinamool chief.
अभी तो कुछ बोलने का नहीं है। अभी जस्ट कल प्राइम मिनिस्टर का मीटिंग है और आज का
And joining me now with the latest headlines today is Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu. Kamal, what's expected from this meeting?
Well, clearly, Mamata has already spelled it out that she's looking for a huge debt waiver. Now, remember, West Bengal is one of the states which has the largest amount of debt. And what she says is this is something which she's taken over from the left with 36 years of rule and 34 years of rule. The amount of debt is obviously coming to almost 2.7 lakh crore. Now, that's a huge amount. And obviously, with a loan being taken almost every year of 28,000 crore rupees, that's a huge debt amount. This is something which Bengal says it cannot pay. They say they've already cleared 1 lakh crore, but the rest of the amount is simply unpayable. And that is why Mamata Banerjee, even though she's being very defiant as far as her relationship with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned, she's always held her head very, very high. She's given a very clear message. She says, I'm not going to Prime Minister Narendra Modi with a begging bowl. I'm not looking for an arm. What I'm looking for, what the state of West Bengal deserves. Now, this is a state business talk, but obviously she's taking a delegation of 34 to 36 people, including the Finance Minister Amit Mitra, who's usually been around in Delhi for most of the meetings that CM herself is supposed to attend. So he's been in the loop of things, but this is going to be a time where West Bengal is going to bargain really, really hard, but we'll really have to see how much the Prime Minister really gives in.
Okay, the CPM already says that there's ghar wapsi that Mamata Banerjee is doing. So is there ghar wapsi on the cards?
Well, it seems really difficult, but with Mamata Banerjee, one really can't really say anything. She doesn't fit into a particular conformation. So in that sense, I really can't say much. But yes, the way things have gone in the past, she's been very defiant. She's not spoken so nice words about Narendra Modi. So it seems very difficult. This is obviously a political posturing by CPM. And obviously this is also about how Mamata is trying to really keep her own flock together with her neighbor Mukul Roy, who's actually, she's staying at her nephew Abhishek Banerjee's house. And Mukul Roy's house is right next to him, and he's been hobnobbing with BJP. But yes, with the uncomfortable equation, we've been told at least 3 to 4 of her own MPs will not be part of that particular delegation when she meets all her party members, all the MPs within the parliament. But yes, a tough time ahead for her. She'll be meeting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. She's looking for a hard bargain. We'll really see at the end of the day whether she gets it.
12 noon. Yes, 12 noon is when that meeting takes place. For the moment, Kamal, many thanks for joining me.